Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Pretty Isha, and I'm back with another video. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Sorry guys, and don't forget to hit that post notification bell to be notified for new and upcoming videos, guys. As you can tell by the title, this is a little Sunday reset, trying to just do everything. I have a lot to do today. Like, I have to cook for my church. I have to go buy the stuff to cook for my church, and then I gotta have the food ready by 1 o'clock. Like, y'all, I'm super tired. I didn't go to bed till late, trying to clean up my house and stuff. And yeah, so I'm gonna go get ready, and then yeah, that's that. I hope you like this video. Stay tuned, and please don't forget to follow me on all platforms. TikTok at glamorous_girl with the double L's at the end, and Instagram at the real pretty girl E. And I'll be sure to follow you guys back. Also, everything will be linked down in the description box below. So yeah, just sit back, relax, and yeah, enjoy the video, because I still have to get my daughter up too, because she's still asleep. Y'all, let me show you her. Y'all see, she's still asleep over there. So I still have to get her ready. And yeah, y'all know how that be. So yeah, let's go get ready. Okay guys, so I'm out the shower now. Now it's time to wash my face. So yeah. Okay guys, so I will be right back when we get to the store. Continue to watch it and stay tuned, period. Okay guys, so I'm in Walmart now, and let's go buy the stuff. Don't mind us shaking, because yeah, that's the buggy ain't no good, but yeah, let's go get what I came in for. So I found what I was looking for, and let's see which pasta noodles I'm gonna use. I don't know. Oh my. Oh, they got it. You're gonna get 2 boxes. Okay, y'all, so now I gotta get the sauce. I don't know what sauce I want to use. I usually use the traditional sauce. Y'all usually use this, but I guess we're gonna go with 2 of those. So let me put it in the buggy, and I'll be right back. We gotta go get, y'all, what do I gotta go get? I got the noodles, I got the sauce. What do I need to go get? What do I need to go get? Oh, I gotta go get the butter, the cheese, and then the corn, and then I'm out of here. So let's go. Now, right now it's pretty empty in here, so I like that for me a little bit. But y'all gonna hurry up, because y'all know on Sundays the lines be extremely too long. Yeah, why she waking up asking for candy? Wait, mommy, I'm gonna go get you some candy. Let me get what I need to get first, okay, Stank? Wanna make s'mores again? Wanna make s'mores? Yes? Okay, we're gonna do this. Yeah, this buggy is so rockable. So I'll see y'all when I get where I need to go in the next hour. Now look at my total. Terrible. Okay, y'all, so we finally leaving. And yeah, that was my total. My budget was $50, and I went $10, $20 over, because it was damn near $70. but it's okay. It is what it is. I'm doing it for a good cause, I guess. Okay, guys, so that was it for me shopping at Walmart. Now we're going to continue this video, and now we are on our way home. So, guys, I hope you enjoying this video. Continue to watch to the end, and yeah, give it a thumbs up, like this video, and comment down below, and subscribe, like, so y'all can see more lit videos. But yeah, I'm on my way home now, so to start cooking and prepping for this food, because I have to have it ready at least by 1 o'clock, because I stay like maybe 30 minutes, 45 minutes away from my church or whatever. So yeah, I will see you guys when I get home, y'all. This sun is beaming hot, but yeah, like I said, I'll see you guys when I get home. Okay, guys, so this is the corn, this is the spaghetti, and the ground beef, and then this is the pan that I'm gonna put it in. So I'll be right back when I put all of this into this. This is the sauce that I'm using. Cheese I'm going to be using, guys, is medium cheddar, sharp cheddar, and I'm going to be using mild cheddar. Okay, guys, so this is the spaghetti, nice and pretty, y'all. This is the spaghetti, okay? Get into it, period. Ready. Y'all see that it's hot. Cheese already melted. But let me go ahead and pop this in the oven. Then I got to pop this in the oven, and then I'll be done. So I'll be back when the food is done. Okay, guys, so this is the finished spaghetti and the finished corn. Now it's time to go to church. Okay, guys, so I'm back home. Church was amazing. I enjoyed it. Food was good. And yeah, that's the end of this mini vlog. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you like my cooking. I hope you like watching me cook. I hope you like watching me getting ready. Because yeah, that was it for this video. And I just try to throw something together, and it is what it is. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Definitely don't forget to subscribe. Like, definitely don't like this video too. Like, and go watch every other video. And don't forget to comment down below what y'all want to see next. I told y'all, whatever y'all comment and y'all want to see, I'm going to drop it, period. Like, I'm going to do my best to try to do the video, and I'm going to drop it. Don't mind my glasses if y'all see, like, looking like tape or something. Because, y'all, I broke my glasses. And I actually went and got some more glasses. I didn't vlog that because it was just too quick. And I had my daughter with me, so I can't really, like, I'm still trying to learn how to vlog and have my baby with me at the same time. Like, it's not easy. It's definitely not easy because she want to whine. Then she want my phone with her tablet dead. So, yeah, I couldn't vlog that. But, yeah, when I go pick up my glasses, I'll take y'all along. And I guess I'll do a video with that whenever it's ready. But, yeah, like I said, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to give it thumbs up, like. Comment down below what you want to see next. And bye. I'll see you in the next video.